Is your Audi key fob not being recognized? This is a common issue, especially in models like the A3, A4, Q5, and Q7. The most frequent causes are a dead or weak battery, immobilizer system glitches, or a loss of synchronization between the fob and your car. First, try replacing the battery. Audi fobs typically use CR232 batteries, costing only a few dollars. Low battery voltage often leads to intermittent recognition. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the issue might be with the immobilizer system itself, which is an ECU-based security feature. Software glitches or water damage can cause it to fail. Don't ignore this, because according to AAA's 2025 Automotive Reliability Report, key-related problems account for 2.5% of Audi breakdowns and can prevent your car from starting. If a battery change doesn't work, you might need to resync the key fob with your Audi. Some newer Audi models allow for remote relearn procedures via the Audi Connect app, which can be done wirelessly. However, immobilizer issues often require professional help. Dealerships can reprogram the key using diagnostic tools like VCDS or perform a VIM reset. Cyber attacks are a growing concern, so Audi is issuing firmware updates to bolster immobilizer defenses. Always use genuine parts to avoid compatibility problems. While many fixes are DIY-able, 80% per forums, complex cases require professional help, with average repair costs ranging from $200 to $500. Also consider that statistics show 45% of service visits for immobilizer issues resolve via software updates. Therefore, remote relearn is likely.